I'm sure by now you probably seen the It's Corn Boy. It's everywhere right now. It's blowing up, super viral. But for whatever reason, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch this.
For me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
Ever since I was told that corn was real, it tasted good.
Oh, it's incredible. I mean, how adorable is this kid, right? But look, this is a perfect example of how things can change your life. Now, I don't know the situation with this little kid. I ain't do too much research on it, but I don't know if this kid and his family is rich yet. But if they aren't, they should be, and they should be very soon. Because of the situation with this little kid blowing up, there is no reason why this kid shouldn't have a YouTube channel right now. I'm assuming he got a TikTok account because that's how the video blew up, right? He should be all over the place, right? He should have merch. If he don't got merch yet, they need to get a team around this kid and his family and license some merch deals with like him on a t-shirt with the corn and having a little quote saying, "It's corn. It's corn." Man, that's cute, man. I ain't gonna lie, right? I wouldn't be surprised if this kid is in like movies, an upcoming Tyler Perry movie. I'm sure this kid is gonna blow up. If he doesn't blow up, he should blow up because, like I said, this kid is everywhere. And with, this channel talk about making money online, there is so many ways that this kid and his family can generate multiple streams of income, right? Simply by this kid just being, just being himself, just being a kid, and is blowing up. If this family can't monetize this situation, it's just terrible, right? Terrible. But like I said, I'm assuming if this kid hasn't been on talk shows yet, I don't know, right? But all I know is he's going viral, right? And that's the perfect time. Even if you consider it to be a one-hit wonder, this kid and his family can really, I think, generate enough income to last a long time if they manage their money right. If they be smart, they should create different things that can create income on a passive, level of recurring income, get residuals, all kinds of things this family can do off of this kid, basically saying, "It's corn. It's corn." I mean, it is adorable, and like I said, right now, as I'm doing this video, this kid is blowing up, super viral. I'm about to do some damn Facebook Reels and TikToks and some shorts using this sound, using his clip, because I'm saying it's hot. But without a doubt, this kid is a star, and him and his family should be compensated for it, and they should be able to generate a lot of money. Now, if you want to see how you can start generating your own passive income online, check out the links in the description of this video.